Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So you guys, controversial Sangoma turned Christian Ugogos Kuteni has asked for forgiveness. Now you guys, this comes after posting her much anticipated prayer session that was scheduled to take place on Friday the 16th of May 2025. The 33-year-old, whose real name is Dumi Mutsoneng, recently made headlines after revealing that she has left Ubungoma behind and how has found God and got baptized and born again. Now walking a new spiritual path, Gogos Kuteni took to social media to share her reasons for her certain change of plans. Now, in her heartfelt post, she explained that she was not ready for the overwhelming number of people who had confirmed that they will be attending. I would like to apologize for keeping quiet and not talking about the 17th May prayer sessions. May I request that we postpone it? I did not expect that we'll reach this number. Currently, we're sitting at 389 people. For me, that is not just a number, it's a big number, she said. The Ambalian Malanga native said she's still trying to spiritually prepare herself to be able to serve so many people properly. She said, I would like and would love the Holy Spirit to lead us in the right direction. I was not ready for that number. Please allow me to dwell deep in prayer and fasting before I can pray for such a number of people. Ugogos Kuteni said. Ugogos Kuteni also shared that the bookings are still streaming in and expects the total to reach around 500 very soon. People are confirming their bookings and there's still more people we couldn't even respond to, she said. To those who already made travel plans and confirmed attendance, Gogos Kuteni shared a sincere apology to them. Please wait for me to be spiritually fit and strong enough and we will do it. I know we had people who were coming from far. This is not something we can't joke about, she said. She also promised to keep her followers updated about the new prayer session date and urged them to continue praying in the meantime. Well, there you have it, you guys. Gogos Kuteni sends out her sincere apologies and had to cancel the prayer session, you guys, saying that she is not spiritually ready and she urges people to please pray for her so that she will be able to get back into her feet so that she may be spiritually strong enough to host this prayer session, which she has been talking about on her social media for quite some time now. Anyways, you guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. Make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.